Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, while making clarifications on allegations made by the leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, termed such allegations as baseless. He also termed the personal attack on the government at a personal family level as unfortunate. Referring to the case of SS Netcom, the Chief Minister clarified that investigations were not interfered into as earlier alleged by the leader of the opposition.
Yeah, I think this entire process of these allegations that are being made reflect a deep sense of desperation on behalf of the LO. It looks like they are running out of issues related to governance, and now they are sorting to personal attacks at a personal family level, which is very, very unfortunate. But nonetheless, for some clarification, since he has made those allegations, this was a case that happened in 2017, which was during the time when the LO was the Chief Minister. And investigation started that time itself. In fact, investigation went on for almost a year. Government changed. And after that, the entire investigation again went on for another year. There were allegations that we tried to interfere. If we had tried to interfere, then the transfers would have been made immediately when we came to power, which was not the case. They were allowed to do the investigation for almost a year without any kind of interruption from anybody, because we believe that there should be free and fair investigation in all these aspects. But obviously, in due course.
Speaking on the allegations made by the leader of opposition with regards to the Saubhagya case, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that a clarification had earlier been made by the Power Minister James P.K. Sangma in one of the recent assembly sessions. He also stated that necessary steps and guidelines were followed, as well as adequate permissions had been sought from the Government of India with regards to the implementation of the project.
The rates were quoted in a very high manner for certain components of Saubhagya scheme and other schemes.
You see, again, it's very, as I said, unfortunate that they keep repeating the same points again and again and again. These points have already been clarified by the Power Minister during the session. They have raised this issue, and we have raised and we have clarified it in the press also, as well as outside also. These procedures were followed as per the guidelines. All the necessary steps that had to be taken were taken. All the approvals and the clearances were given by Government of India. If there was a situation where there was something that was being done wrongly, or there was some kind of a situation where it was not properly done, Government of India would have intervened. Government of India would not have cleared the bills. Government of India would have stopped the implementation of the project. But it did not, because all procedures were followed. Now, if opposition thinks that just by them repeating again and again and again that this is black, this is black, this is black, and they think that everybody will just believe this black, it's not the way things work. So I think it's important to now realize that they should come out with issues that are important to the state. We are all working together here, and just sticking to the same old points is not going to serve any purpose. Everybody knows, as I said, the procedures were followed, and that is not going to serve any purpose. Everybody knows, as I said, the procedures were followed, and that is the reason why Government of India has ensured and allowed us to move ahead with the projects, and they have been implemented. Thank you.